Hey, how's it going? Time to change out the edger blade. So I just want to show you how I do it.
AllCoastLawncare.
So first, for the edger blade, so I use a size 16 for a ratchet. All right, you could use an impact gun if you want to, but it's not that serious. You could use a ratchet. First, this is the Stihl FS 96 edger. Okay, and what you want to do, look for is this little hole right here. There's like a little hole. You have to like put something like a little tiny screwdriver right here, because when you go for this, is instead of lefty loosey righty tighty, it's righty loosey lefty tighty. It's backwards. All right, so you need something to stop it. So get like a little screwdriver, put in that little hole right there, or a little nail. Okay, so righty loosey. There we go. See that right there? Or that little washer little thing, okay? That goes on the outside, okay? The old one off, put the new one on. Remember, righty, lefty, righty. I mean, lefty, tighty, okay? So I'm going to the left. All right, I'm going to the left. Give a little like that. Another one, boom, that's all. Take the little tiny screwdriver out, boom, that's it. All right, so that's how I do it. Just use like a little wrench, okay? Remember, take it off, it's righty loosey. To put it on, it's lefty tighty. All right, so thank you. Hit like and subscribe, please, and see you on the next video. Thank you. God bless. Bye.